our 60-inch sandwich prep table. Please note that the prep table is covered in film and can be peeled off. That's protecting the stainless steel finish. Overall dimensions for this prep table will include 60.5 inches in length, 34 inches in depth, and 46 inches in height with the top cover. Minus the top cover, we have 36 inches tall. Measurements for the cutting board will include 60 inches in length by 9 inches in depth. Left and right doors on top, covering the topping trays beneath. Left and right compartments each will include 12 topping trays, with each tray measuring 6.5 inches in length, 7 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Interior dimensions for each panel will include 5.25 inches in length by 5.75 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 24 pans included with this prep table. Coming to the bottom will be the refrigeration, left and right swing doors, and included will be 2 shelves, one for the left and one for the right compartment. Each shelf will measure 19 inches in depth by 27.5 inches in length. With the left and right shelf combined, we have a continuous row of 56 inches in length. Interior dimensions for the prep table itself will include 22 inches in height, 56 inches in length, 12.75 inches includes the step located towards the back of the refrigerator. Minus the step, we have a depth of 24 inches. Located on the top right column will be the ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this sandwich prep table. Last but not least, this prep table uses a 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.